Good morning, Ashley. This is Tina with Prime Mercedes. I want to thank you so much for taking the time to speak with me on Saturday and taking my call this morning. And let's get right to it. I know you want a virtual tour of this stunning CLS 2017 63. This has 10,047 miles on it. Mainers would say it's not even broken in. You have this gorgeous diamond white paint. Look at that AMG Sport styling on that. Beautiful front fairing. Wraparound intelligent headlights. Let's come down along the side. You're going to see those beautiful blacked out multi-spoke rims. AMG calipers. Rotors are super clean. This vehicle is just super clean. It's a V8 bi-turbo. It'll get you to the grocery store and lickety split. Let's come down around the back end, and all along in the video you're going to see the little sensors, which are your collision assist, your blind spot assist, your lane keeping assist, a lot of assistance packages there. You've got your dual AMG exhaust, you got your AMG badging on the back. And let's pop the trunk for you, because I know one of your concerns was, are we going to have enough room for groceries, kiddos, when you're out and about? So little convenience tray there. You can see the trunk is super clean. You still have your manuals, your locking lug nuts, your 12-volt outlet. If I want to put those back seats down, I've got my switch right here. I can lock the vehicle. I have a power trunk. Beautiful wraparound taillights. And I know this was a concern for you, so let's take a look in the back. I know you've got a car seat you want to fit in there. Plenty of room. You even have those little ISO little tethers for car seats. So those kiddos are safe. Plenty of room in the back. This does have easy entry, easy exit. We've got the automatic folding mirrors, tinted windows in the back, beautiful sunroof. Let's take a look at the interior. So you can see your AMG Sport styling steering wheel. Love the material on this. It's just a really nice comfy grip. I have my controls here that control the little display in between my sport styled AMG instrument clusters. This other little cluster here is going to be my volume, my voice commands. Next, let's take you inside because we're going to want to start this up. All right, Ashley, we're at an AMG, so we got to start this up. Woohoo! Sounds fantastic. And I'm going to put this in Sport. I got Sport Plus. I've got manual. There's my electronic stabilizing, my sport suspension, my shifter, my environmental controls. I have a rear sunshade in the back there. You can see that going up. I've got heated and ventilated front seats. I've got an eco function. I have my parking assist, gorgeous analog clock, large display, 3 garage door openers, really nice sunroof, awesome sound system. I'm an 80s girl, so you're going to get REO Speedwagon. Sorry. Let's take this for a little drive around the dealership, Ashley. Again, I want to thank you for all your time on Saturday and the opportunity to be of service. If I can answer any additional questions for you, just give me a jingle. My number here is 207-229-2739. Thank you so much, Ashley, and have yourself a great day.